recently, ikay nagbabalik at pumirma ka ng kontrata sa Sparkle.
Yes!
Nagbabalik po si Bianca dito sa GMA 7. And welcome back.
Thank
and
you.
how exciting is that?
Super exciting! Actually, long overdue siya. You know what? Actually, yung nag-usap na kami before I left for Australia. Before I left for Australia in March 2020, nag-usap na kami noon. So, matagal na siyang nasa puso ko at nasa isip ko. Na-execute ko na siya finally. And I must say, para dumating sa point na to, para iuwi yung buong family ko dito at lahat ng gamit namin, it was a long journey.
Okay, at ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nagbabalik dito ay ang iyong karera.
Siguro, pangatlo yon.
Pangatlo.
Pangatlo.
Okay, ano ang una at pangalawa?
Una, kasi kailangan talaga namin ng suporta. So, ako kasi nag-suffer ako eh. I was always in survival mode, just
Nahirapan
trying
ka.
to make it through the day.
Yeah, nahirapan ka.
Oo, like
Oo.
just doing everything. Like at the end of the day, pagod na ako. And I'm like, this is not the way I want motherhood to be for me. Life can be so much better. And yun na nga, yun, dahil gusto naming malapit sa family namin.
Okay.
We want to raise our daughter with the comfort of my friends and their kids, and also being close to her cousin because they love being together. And Isa has a daughter na same age sila, diba? So, it's ideal. It's ideal na magkapit-bahay kami at yung dalawang bata nagkikita araw-araw. At yung dalawang bata, 4 ang magulang na pagpipilian.
Okay.
There's always somebody there for
I
them
get that.
now. Oo.